Arro Card and Mission Lane are built for people trying to build or rebuild credit, but they work in completely different ways when it comes to limits, transparency, and how predictable your account feels. By the end, you'll know how Arro and Mission Lane actually differ, which one is easier to manage day to day, and which one fits your credit situation in 2026. Start with Mission Lane. Mission Lane is a traditional credit card issuer that gives you a clearly defined credit limit up front based on your application profile. That means you know exactly how much you can spend from day one. Your limit is fixed unless the issuer reviews your account and increases it over time. That structure makes it predictable. You always know your balance, your limit, and what your utilization looks like. Now look at Arro. Arro is more of an app-based credit system, where approval and usage can feel more flexible, and less like a traditional card setup. Instead of a clearly fixed experience from day one, access can depend on how the system evaluates your activity inside the app. That creates a different experience. It can feel more adaptive, but also less predictable compared to a standard credit card. Now compare them directly. With Mission Lane, the biggest advantage is clarity. You get a standard credit card structure, which makes budgeting and credit utilization easier to track. With Arro, the advantage is flexibility. It may adapt based on behavior and internal scoring, which can help some users who are still building credit history but don't qualify for traditional cards. Now look at approval and growth. Mission Lane tends to follow a more traditional credit path where consistent payments and usage can lead to credit limit increases over time. Arro's growth is more system-driven inside the app environment, meaning your behavior within the platform can influence how your access changes. Here's the key difference most people miss. Mission Lane behaves like a standard credit card with rules you can see clearly. Arro behaves more like a credit system inside an app, where access and limits can feel more dynamic. So which one is better depends on your goal. If you want predictability, clear limits, and a traditional credit building path, Mission Lane is easier to understand and manage. If you want a more flexible system and you're okay with less upfront clarity, Arro may fit that style better. Quick recap. Mission Lane gives fixed limits and predictable structure. Arro offers a more flexible, app-based credit experience. The main trade-off is clarity versus adaptability. Next step is simple. Decide whether you value knowing your exact credit limit up front, or you're comfortable with a system that adjusts based on behavior over time. Like and subscribe for more clear comparisons of credit cards and fintech tools without the confusion.